Hello friends, welcome to my channel and today we will be learning the first qaida and it is a very simple qaida and let's start to learn it. Yeah, so the qaida is very simple. It's dha dha te te dha dha thun na ta ta te te dha dha dhinna. Yeah, so very simple. Dha dha te te dha dha thunna. So here is thunna. Thunna is played with thun and kat together. Thunna. Yeah, many people play also like thunna, like da da te te da da thunna da da te te da da thunna. That is theoretically, and when you learn from a good teacher, it's actually wrong. Yeah, thunna is always played with kat, thun na. Yeah, so open thun, thun and kat together. Thun, thun na. Yeah, so the first part is dha dha te te dha dha thunna. Yeah, and then ta ta te te dha dha dhinna. Yeah, ta ta te te, very simple. Ta ta te te dha dha dhinna. Like we played thunna with thunna like this. Yeah, dhinna we will play with the ge and thun together. That becomes dhin, dhinna, dhinna. So when we play it all together, how will it sound? Yeah, very simple. So now we will learn the first palta of this qaida. Like it's like qaida. What we are learning today, it is to be in very simple words. It's like a story. It's like a small story with the introduction. Yeah, and then the middle part in which everything, many things are described, and then the ending part, so which is called, we say as climax, or the ending part of, in tabla it's called tihai. Tihai means to end. So the introduction part, the base, yeah, which is what we learned right now, and then the middle part, in which all different types of sequences are there, and then finally the ending part, which is called tihai. So the first palta, yeah, when you say the variation, we can say it's called palta. I will also give it in the description, and you can note it down from there. Don't worry about it. And the first palta is dha 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 te 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 dha dha te te dha dha thunna. Ta 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 te 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 dha dha te te dha dha dhinna. Yeah, so very simple. Dha 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 te 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 simple. So this you can note down and practice. Yeah. So this we will learn now the second palta. So it's also very simple. What you would have noticed here is we are using all the same syllables which we use in the introductory phrase, which is dha da te te dha da thunna ta ta te te dha da dhinna. So we will be always using the same phrases, set of phrases in a a qaida as we progress. So the second one is dha dha te 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 dha dha te te dha dha ta ta te 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 dha dha te te dha dha dhinna. Yeah. So once you have practiced the introductory, the main phrase, yeah, the qaida, these all paltas will be very easy to play, because everything, as I've said already, that everything is coming from them. So make sure that you practice the first the main part, yeah, the qaida, dha dha te te dha dha thunna ta ta te te dha dha dhinna, at least for 15-20 minutes, half an hour, yeah, so that it is very strongly, it's there in within you, yeah, within you, you can, that you are very comfortable to play it, yeah. Then only start to progress with the variations. Otherwise it will be a bit, can be a bit exhausting while progressing. But if you put your emphasis on the main variation, the main qaida, dha da te te dha da tunna ta ta te te dha da tunna dhinna, if you put emphasis in the beginning on that and practice that for 20 minutes, half an hour, as in the same keeping to go in a circle, dha dha te te dha, and yeah, with this what will happen, that when you will start to play the variations, they will come very easy, they will become very easy, and you will be surprised to see that just what I am right now giving it to you, you will just look at it and you will be very, you will feel very easy to play them. So my advice is that please practice the main variation as much as you can. So now we'll move to the third variation of this qaida, which is dha dha te 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 dha dha te te dha dha thunna ta ta te 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 dha dha te te dha dha dhinna, dha dha te 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 dha dha te te dha dha thunna ta ta te 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 dha dha te te dha dha dhinna. Yeah, very easy. So I'll play once more. Dha dha te 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 dha dha te te dha dha thunna ta ta te 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 dha dha te te dha dha dhin. Very simple. So I will give it. Don't worry. I will give the composition in the description, and I will also, in the coming days, I think I will also open a Telegram or WhatsApp group in which you can I will give the link to it, and in which you can come and ask questions. For the time being, you can always write to me in the comment section, and let me know that how am I doing and what advancements I can do in order to help you more. So as moving forward, that we will be now learning the palta number 4 of the same qaida, and let's begin with it. So 1 2 3 start. Da da te 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 da da tun na ta ta te 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 dha dha dhinna dha dha te 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 dha dha dhinna ta ta te 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 dha dha dhinna. Again dha. Very easy. And now let's learn the palta number 5, yeah, which is dha dha te te dha dha thun na dha dha thun na dha dha thun na ta ta te te ta ta dhin na dha dha dhin na dha dha dhin na dha dha thun na dha dha thun na dha dha thun na ta ta te te dha dha dhin na dha dha dhin na dha dha dhin na. Very easy. And the last thing is the tihai, that also we will learn today, is dha dha te te dha dha thun na dha 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 thun na dha 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 thun na dha 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 te te dha dha thun na dha 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 thun na dha So this is Qaida number 1, and I have given you the first, the introductory, the main phrase, and then the 5 paltas, the 5 variations, and then the tihai. I hope that you liked it, and please practice that, and make that really good in your hands, that you are able to play all of it at once. And I will see you hopefully in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.